What is the author's purpose in citing the tree's survival pattern in the last paragraph? A. To explain why it was not an easy environment for trees. B. To question the accuracy of the findings that tree rings reveal. C. To provide a basis for the fact that rings reveal a high frequency of very bad years of growth. Or D. To help illustrate how all trees grow. Let's begin by locating where we see the author citing the tree's survival pattern. We see this in the last paragraph, which tells us that these trees would have been able to survive approximately 4 to 5 months of absolute darkness, followed by 4 to 5 months of continuous light. However, the text goes on to say that their rings reveal a high frequency of very bad years of growth. Based on this, we can see that we can mark off choice B to question the accuracy of the findings that tree rings reveal. If anything, citing their growth pattern explains to us why the tree rings reflected bad years of growth. Choice D as well can be marked off, as this certainly doesn't describe how all trees grow. We are left with choices A and C, both of which seem like contenders. However, a closer look at choice A to explain why it's not an easy environment for trees shows it's not the correct answer. Citing the tree's survival pattern doesn't explain why it wasn't an easy environment. It merely shows that it was one. Instead, we can turn to choice C to provide a basis for the fact that rings reveal a high frequency of very bad years of growth. Had the author included this fact without preceding it with the tree's survival pattern, the conclusion wouldn't make as much sense to us. Based on this, we can mark C as our final answer.